Hello and welcome again at Stocks Advisor. Here we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks and also for stocks that attracted a lot of attention during latest trading sessions. And today we'll talk about Teladoc Health Incorporated, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name TDOC. Well, TDOC is a stock that is showing a little bit controversial situation today. It was very bullish technically during the day and last two trading sessions, so mainly forming like a V shape and trying to go higher than 235, the previous maximum wave, and then probably try to even question 250 as the overall top of August. But after hours news came and now the price is trading actually at minus almost minus 5.35% and 214.56, so which is actually just at this level. Let's draw it with dark that we start from it. So we are just sitting exactly at moving average 50 at the moment, and also there is this support line clearly seen at that line, at that level. So we're just sitting on it. And now the question is, well, what happened? And if you look carefully to the quarter reports itself, though it is positive and it tops on its quarterly third quarter views, but it's expected that there will be more loss to the next quarter. So this is the main kind of a main news here, and this expectation being let's say thrown to the public is working really negatively here. The price already dropped, and since this is a future given expectation, it means that the price will go further, most probably with some big volatilities here, but the price will start decline. And this would mean like, well, you can enter, try to enter, but it should be really reasonable and over safe approach. And here what we will do, so this would be then support line. Currently we will look to very safe levels where you can enter. Even if we don't reach them, it's okay. We lose maybe opportunity but not the money, but if we do reach them, it would be very interesting level to enter. So given the fact that we are already sitting in this price, tomorrow we will know what will be the action, but most probably it will just start fading further, or might form kind of similar to this candle if the price will fade too much during the, let's say, the pre-market. But anyway, you can see already the formation of the first channel level. It's this one, so this might become a middle of the current of the new trading channel that is formed, and then actually it would be advised to enter only on something that is before these quarter three levels of supports, and this would be this line. So only when we pierce moving average 200 it would be advised to enter. And therefore if we look at the support levels here, let's look at them. So this one is actually a volatility level more than support line. If we call the lines, this would be S1, S2, V1 and S3. Then it would be advised to have at least first entry at V1 line exactly at moving average 200, because this represents a bit longer term heavy moving average, heavy line. But then the price might go even lower and actually test the lower levels of June, just before the quarterly, and then this would be actually really the, let's say, the next average down approach. It's really low, yes, but it's better to be very safe here because the price can fade dramatically. And with this, it's advised again to buy 1 to 2, and most probably at the first level it will be just a volatility spike until at least until to S2, and it's better advised to sell if you catch that wave. And then actually depending on how big losses are expected during, or let's say what's the increase of the expected loss for next quarter, maybe it will be clear from the news in later days of coming days, then we will see how low we will fade. But if any, the most safe would be here to enter actually at the level 2, which is this S4 line, in this case S4 line. So it's either V1 or S4, with averaging down 1 to 2. This way you will, even if you enter first at V1 level and then average down at S4, you will stick somewhere at 160, which is very reasonable, because also at this level exactly there is sitting another volatility line. So you will be then either at V1 line or at V2 line, and for both it would be a nice game, nice play for rebounds. So with this for TDOC, yeah, we will see tomorrow's action, but it's advised to wait until maybe next week middle, when the price really fades further, and then it will restart, most probably somewhere middle next week. But for now, yeah, let's wait for V1 level to make a first entry. Overall, the company is actually doing not that bad, and its market capitalization is quite high. It's 18.8 billion, so it should be stable, but some volatility is possible. Also, we need to take into account that the second wave of COVID is coming, and overall, like market indicators like Dow, Nasdaq, Standard & Poor's 500, Russell 2000, actually everything is kind of in decline, and quite big decline. If you look today, it's like minus 3.3% for Nasdaq, for almost for everyone, yeah, for SP and 500, Dow. It's really a lot. It's really a lot for these huge markets like US market. It's really a lot, and of course you see a lot of red tickers today, but for this one it's not just driven by market but also by the news, so it's like a double hit, and therefore double that it can go. So with this we can actually finish today discussion about Teladoc Health. Yes, a little bit unfortunate, but also opens interesting buy opportunities for those who knows where to enter and when to enter. Therefore, please also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, view our other videos. From those you will learn another interesting opportunities for US based stocks, and maybe if you like the analysis you can make your play there. Thank you.